Hi, I'm Marie. Mango season is in full swing and there are some great bargains out there. Today, I want to show you how to make some dry mangoes. This recipe is inspired by a popular Philippine dry mango snack. If you like dry fruit, you would definitely like these. Not only dry mangoes are delicious, they are also rich in vitamin A and high in fiber. Let's grab some mangoes and I'll show you how to make it. We'll use 6 fresh mangoes. Choose those that are ripe but still somewhat firm. Use 1 cup of sugar and also 1 gram of this Campden preservative. It kills bacteria and also preserves the color of the fruit. They can be purchased easily online and are FDA approved for consumption. First things first, let's wash the mangoes. Even though we'll later peel away the skin, this ensures no contamination. The easiest way to peel them is to first cut off the top and the bottom. That helps the peeler to get under the skin. You want to slice all the way to the seed to get as much fruit as you can. For a medium-sized mango, you should get 2 slices from each side. These come off about 1/3 of an inch thick. They're just under 1 centimeter. There's still a lot of fruit left on the seeds. I'm saving them for snacks later. When preserving fruit, you need to boil it to kill organisms such as molds, yeast, and bacteria which can cause spoilage. Use either a stainless steel or glass pot. Avoid using aluminum cookware because mangoes are acidic. First, add the sugar. This will enhance the sweetness as well as strengthening the texture of the fruit slices. We pour in just enough water to cover the top. This is about 3 cups, which is about 700 milliliters. Start with high flame. Bring the mixture to a boil and let it boil for 2 minutes. Then reduce the heat and simmer it for another 15 minutes. After boiling, the slices have become translucent like this. Next, crush a Campden tablet and add it to the mixture. Leave the mango slices to soak in the syrup for 6 to 12 hours in your refrigerator. While waiting, I just set my alarm and relax and tend to other things. After the soaking period, the slices will have become sticky and glossy like this. To reduce their stickiness, which helps them dry quicker, pour in 1 quart of steaming hot water. This dilutes the syrupy liquid. Now, go ahead and transfer them to a strainer to drain. That may take 30 minutes or so. Next, you line a tray with parchment paper. Arrange the slices on the tray in single layer. You can dry these under the hot sun, but the temperature has to be above 91 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 33 degrees Celsius. Of course, the easiest way is to use your kitchen oven. Set the temperature at about 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius. If your oven controls won't go that low, then prop the door slightly open. Drying takes about 7 hours. It may vary according to the thickness of your mango slices and your oven temperature. While waiting, I just set my alarm and relax and tend to other things. You know they have been dried properly if they have shrunk by about 50%. They become translucent and their texture is firm and sturdy. They need to be cooled completely before being packed away. Now we roll them in confectioner sugar. Properly dried mangoes should be elastic when you tear them apart. Delicious! You can refrigerate them in airtight containers for up to 3 months. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, remember to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Please join me again for another delicious recipe.